Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Zacconi lever machine here. So this machine came in because it was not turning on, and I found that the fuse needed to be replaced. So after I did that, I just gave the machine a tune-up. So you can see here I replaced the gaskets on the piston there in the group head, and then this one holds the portafilter. I replaced the sight glass, that old one, along with its gaskets and a few other ones throughout the steam assembly and all throughout the machine. So I'm just going to pull a shot of espresso to show you that everything is working. And this shot is not going to be perfect shot just because I didn't calibrate the espresso to this machine. This is just to show you that everything is working. Okay. So we've got our single shot of espresso here. And then I'll show you the steam. Hopefully you can see that steam. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.